Today, we're unboxing these touch-sensitive modular wall lights from EP Light. Govee offers similar wall lights for over $100, but these are a much more affordable option. So let's go ahead and check these out. This reminds me of the Little Debbie zebra cakes. Those smack, those are really good. You can see they come with these connector pieces, which fit into these holes to link the lights together. It's super simple to set up. Just snap the connectors into both parts and they're instantly connected. When I touch the light, it changes colors, the response is smooth, and the colors are vibrant. I'm trying to figure out what design I want to make with these, but I'm not too sure what to do. Let me show you how easy it is to connect these lights together though. As I mentioned before, you use this connector piece, make sure both sides are attached, and it snaps right in. Look what we've got here. It's only 4 pieces, but this little design looks really cool. So here we have the 5th piece. Just like before, go ahead and open it up and let's attach it to the rest of them, and boom. Piece number 6, last piece here, same thing. Attach the connector, boom, and then attach it to the rest of them, and look at this, boom, boom. They look super nice. Camera's bugging out. You can change it with the controller as well that comes with it. The blue looks super nice. I mean, all the colors are super nice and vibrant, but I'm gonna probably end up putting them on purple since that's what my setup color is themed around. So this is what my setup is currently looking like. I'm gonna end up doing a whole setup revamp soon, but aside from that, thank you so much to EP Light for sending this out to me. If you guys want to comp one for yourself, go ahead and check out the description down below. See you guys in the next video.